Hi, my name is Kelly. I am the Director of Digital Transformation at Fiber Optic Center. I would give Boomi a 4 out of 5 and click below for more reviews. So prior to using Boomi, we were using Zapier as an integration platform, and it just lacked sort of the customizability that we are seeking with our CRM and website integration. Zapier is really good if it has sort of the pre-built capabilities that you need, but if you want to go off the beaten path a bit, that's where you start to run into some challenges, and a larger, more robust platform like Boomi ended up saving the day. We chose Boomi for two primary reasons. One is the customizability of the platform. So, the ability to pull in any sort of custom fields or development that we've done on either the website side or the CRM side was critical for us to have, something we didn't have with prior platforms. And then the second was that it's so accepting of all the different platforms that we use in our tech stack. So we're primarily using Boomi initially for Salesforce and our website. But we also have a product inventory management system, a marketing automation system, and an ERP that we're in the process of connecting. And so Boomi was able to satisfy all of those, whereas some of the other integrators that we evaluated just were specific to a bidirectional sync with two of the systems, not necessarily like all four or five. My biggest quarrel with Boomi was that it's actually really difficult to get started. It's not difficult to sign up or purchase the software, but when you go to actually create the integrations, it's definitely not as complex as coding an integration yourself, but it's definitely not as simple as something like an easier to use tool like Zapier or like MuleSoft Composer, where it's really just clicking and connecting. Boomi requires a little bit of training, and they do have the training available, but it takes a decent amount of time if you're trying to learn it from scratch. So, working through their like extensive Welcome to Boomi module really helped, but it did take like between 6 to 8 hours, like almost a full day, to like really understand exactly how we could leverage Boomi. I think if I were to recommend like sort of a course of action or like best practice when it comes to like integrating Boomi into a tech stack, um, having prior knowledge is always very nice. Understanding that it is a complex integration software, so it's something that is going to take a little bit of time to learn and to configure. But that's the short term downside of using a larger tool that's going to give you 10x or 20x capabilities that maybe a simpler integration tool drag and drop just doesn't give you.